Okay, start over.
Hi guys, today we're making a volcano.
Yahoo!
First we're gonna pour in the activator.
Vinegar.
Now we're both gonna take a spoonful of baking soda.
Do, do, do. Ugh.
And we're gonna
I need to really get in there.
there's like no all that.
Okay, that's the most I'm gonna get.
Okay. Ready guys? 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Woo,
it's doing
it's
It's
good.
that foam.
Let's add more. Pour.
Wow.
Oh, look.
Let's shake it up, guys.
We're shaking it. Shake it. David, shake it.
Yeah, guys.
Now put it back down. Pig, put it back down. Let's see what happens.
Nothing.
It's because you shaked it up.
Well, I'll buy more if you guys want to do it again another day.
Okay, we'll see. Okay.
Take the box, Jeffrey.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.